Well, welcome back to this section of our tutorials. So we have a problem on equations of a plane. In our previous lecture, I took you through how to derive the equations of a plane, both the vector and also the parametric one. So we are going to use that to solve this problem. So if you haven't subscribed and you haven't watched that video, please do want to watch that video. So he said determine the equation of the plane that contains the point P, which is 1 neg 20, Q 314, R 0 neg 1 2, right? So how do I determine the equation of the plane? What do I need? Yes. So I said we need a direction and it's given by the normal vector. Normal vector. Then 2, we need a point or at least 2 points. But in this case, it should be 3. It should be 3 points. Yes, at least 3 points in order to fully define a plane. So at least 3 points. So in our problem here, we're given 3 points. Is that not it? Yes. So to get a direction, I said is the cross product of any two vectors in the plane. Two vectors in the plane. So now let me give you a pictorial view of this plane. This plane is like this. There are 3 points in the plane, so you can just represent it with any two-dimensional space, and I'll put P here, 1, neg 2, 0. I can put Q somewhere here, 3, 1, 4, then probably R, 0, neg 1, 2, right? So all these are in the plane. So the next thing to do is to find the direction, which is the normal vector. So to find normal vector, we are going to take our PQ and PR, right? The cross product of these two vectors, because we need the cross product of any two vectors to give our normal vector. So our normal vector will be equal to the cross product of PQ, so PQ cross PR, as simple as that, right? So how do I find PQ? How do I find PR? So by position vectors, PQ is the same as my Q, which is 3, 1, 4, minus my P, which is 1, neg 2, 0, right? And this should give me 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. 1 minus minus 2, 3. 4 minus 0, which is 4. And this is PQ, vector PQ. Then I need PR. For PR, I need R, which is 0, neg 1, 2, minus my P, which is 1, neg 2, 0. This also giving me 0 minus 1, negative 1. Negative 1 minus minus 2, that is negative 1 plus 2, giving me 1. Comma 2 minus 0, giving me 2. This is giving me PR. So once I have this, I can move ahead to find the cross product of PQ and PR. So to find the cross product, we just represent it with the determinant of a matrix like this. You have I, J, K, right? Then I'll have 2, 3, 4, neg 1, 1, 2. So I just need to find the determinant of this to give me my cross product. So I'll take I as usual, plus, minus, plus, okay? So once you get that, when I take I, it's positive. I open the brackets. This one will take all this away and I'll be left with this 2 by 2 matrix here, 3, 4, 1, 2. So I'll simply write in the determinant of this 2 by 2, which is 3 times 2 minus 4 by 1. Then here is minus j open brackets. J also cancel this away and this away. So I'll get 2 times 2 minus negative 1 by 4. Is that not it? Plus k. K will also take everything here away. I'll be left with 2 times 1, right? Minus negative 1 by 3. So simplifying it, I'll have 6 minus 4, which is 2i minus. So this becomes 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 1. So here I'll get 4 plus 4, right? Because negative 1 times this is negative 4. So 4 minus minus 4 is 8. So minus 8j, then plus. When I come to the k, 2 times 2 plus 3 plus 5k. So this gives me my normal vector. Okay, so once I have my normal vector n, I can take the coefficient to be the directional numbers 2, -8, 5. Then I'll just take any known point. Okay, so from the question I can take this as, I'll take my point P, okay, as the known point. So I'll have 1, -2, 0. Okay, so 1, -2, 0. So using point P, 1, -2, 0, then my normal vector simply becomes, here is what, you just write x, y, z, right, minus the known one, 1, -2, 0, right, dots 2, -8, 5, right, it should be equal to 0, right. So here you just, the like sign x and this will only be combined. So I'll have x minus 1, comma, y minus 2, comma, z minus what, 0, dots 2, -8, 5 should be equal to 0. So here I'll have 2 multiplying the first one, 2 multiplying x minus 1 plus -8 multiplying y minus 2 plus 5 multiplying z minus 0 equals 0. So here I'll get 2x minus 2 minus 8y plus 16 plus 5z is equal to 0. So I have 2x minus 8y plus 5z. Then this -2 will combine with 16, giving us positive 14. So I have plus 14 is equal to 0. This gives us the equation of a plane, and I hope you've been able to understand. As I was doing, you took your time to also work it out there. Thank you for being with me in this video. Please don't forget to like and share. See you in our subsequent videos.